Hello everyone. Today I'll explain a very important part of Terraform, the Terraform setting block, the provider block, and how version constant work for both Terraform CLI and the Azure RM provider. Okay, and this is the foundation of every Terraform project. So understanding it clearly is extremely very important. Okay, so let me open the VS Code. Yeah, today I am going to create a folder on today's date, that is 30 11 2025, and I am going to copy main.tf code space dot. No need of this. Now I have main.tf. Yeah, yeah. So let's delete this. Why I copied, I don't know. Okay. Now Terraform block explanation. Let's start with the Terraform block. Okay. And let I'll copy a code from you guys so that you can understand it. Yeah. Now this is a Terraform block. Okay. And I already explained you the that required provider block having inside Terraform backend block having okay inside Terraform block. So today I'll going to a little bit in deep. Okay. That version constant and all. So if you guys see, you can see that required version here, the version here, it is greater equal to 2.0, and here one more version is there, that is greater equal to 1.0.0. So this is the Terraform version. Okay, and this is the provider version. Both are different, so be careful of that. Okay. So this required version, if I'll talk about this version, so this line specifies the minimum Terraform CLI version required. Okay, and that is mentioned here, greater equal to 1.0.0. And if someone tries to run this configuration using Terraform like 0.14 or 0.12, it will fail. Okay, and it ensures that consistency and stability and prevent breaking changes and all. Okay, and why this needed, let I'll copy this code to this okay, today I am going to that Terraform setting block, provider block, and version constant. Okay. Yeah. Uh, so first I'll take the code here. Yeah. So and why this needed this version constant and all, and why? And different Terraform version behave differently. Okay, by forcing a minimum version, you avoid problems in different environments. Okay, and the second one is that is the required provider block. Okay, in this you also have one version there. Okay, and this block declares which providers your Terraform configuration needs. And in this case, we are using Azure RM, which is the Azure provider. Okay, and the provider is downloaded from the Terraform registry. I already showed you Terraform registry, and that is the Hasik of Azure RM. You can see here. Okay, I have mentioned. Okay, so provider version constraint. These version rules are extremely important in real projects. Let us understand each. Now I have mentioned here version greater equal to 2.0. Okay, this means allows any version greater than or equal to 2.0. Okay, like 2.0 or greater than 2.0, it is allow. Okay, means it is very flexible but not safe for production because it can upgrade to any. Okay, it can upgrade to any 2.x version automatically. Okay, like 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, like that it can upgrade it. Okay, automatically like that. So this behavior we cannot accept in that production one. Now we have that the version. Okay, and we can see that this mark here, and we have 2.0. Okay, so okay, so we have different kind of version denotations here. Okay, yeah, we have this version here. We have commented out this version here and this version here. Okay, so this is the case here, and this version, the second one version equal to, and this symbol tilde. Okay, and this tilde and greater 2.0 means it accepts that whatever the value like 2.0, 2.1, 2.5, 2.28, 2.49. Okay, like that it will accept it, but it does not accept 3.0. Okay, it does not accept 3.0. So safest for our general use. Now we have this uh, this version. It means that allow very tight control. Okay, means example, if 2.6.60.0 has breaking changes, you prevent accidental upgrade. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we have this greater equal to 2.0.0 and less than equal to 2.64.0. This means allows all version up to current, okay, current latest version, and that is the 2.64. Now we have one more here last version tilde. The symbol is tilde and greater than 2.64 means allows only patch updates. Okay, example like it will allow only 2.64.0, 2.64.1, 2.64.3. Okay, and it won't allow that 2.65, 2.66. It won't allow. Also not allowed 3.0 like that. So this ensure maximum stability. Okay. Now come to that provider block. I'll copy it. Provider block. Yeah. So this configures the Azure provider. Okay, and you know that feature block having and this is mandatory for Azure provider. I always talk about that previously every time, and even when empty, it must be written. Okay, you have to write this feature block here, and it loads default Azure RM provider features. And without this, Terraform will throw an error. If you will not provide this features block, so Terraform will give you some error and all. Okay, and Terraform CLI version testing and all, and this part I'll explain how version constraint behave when you install Terraform version is 1.0.0. Okay, this one required version I am talking about. Okay, when my install version Terraform version is 1.0.0, okay, means that required version if we'll write tilde greater than 0.14.3 means it will going to fail. Okay, and if I'll write tilde 0.14 means it also fail. If we'll write equal to 0.14.4 fail. If I write greater equal to 0.13 means it will pass. Why? Because my Terraform version is 1.0.0 installed in my system. Okay. Now it also pass it. Why? Because my system having this version, same version equal to 1.0.0. This will also pass 1.0.0. Greater equal to 1.0.0, it will also pass. Okay. So, because you are running Terraform version that 1.0.0, so anything below 1.0.0 fails and equal to or greater than 1.0.0 will get pass. Okay. And you know that version 1, this version 1 I already spoke out. Okay. And I'll write here, yeah, uh, tilde greater 2.0 means all all 2.x versions allowed. Okay, all 2.x versions allowed in this case. Now in this case, up to to 2.59 point x will allow. Okay, and in this, up to 2.64. Okay, and we can use these constant based on our environment, that is dev, stage and prod, and this means the particular 2.64. Okay, like this it will go. So I'll write this. I'll make it comment. Okay, if I have Terraform version in my machine, if I have Terraform version 1.0.0 in my machine, so what happens? Okay, and I'll write here, if and we have required version this one like that. So it will make you clarity there. Okay, I'll copy this full code. Okay, so I can summarize it. That's all for the day. Okay, and Terraform block controls, Terraform version, provider source. Okay, provider block initializes the Azure RM provider using provider Azure RM feature block. Okay, that is mandatory. Okay, and version constraint are important to maintain stability, prevent breaking changes, control upgrades, ensure consistent build across teams. Okay, this structure is the foundation of any Terraform configurations when working with Azure. Okay, so I already have gone through it. So do practice, okay, as much as you can, and play with the code, okay, and play with that version constant and all, and try to run this lab in your system, okay, so that you can able to get it very clear manner. Okay, thank you guys, and let's subscribe this channel, and okay, and watch continuously till you complete this full Terraform code.